Hi, I'm Morgan McFarland.
And I'm Deanna Meyer.
Today we're going to show you how to use Storyjumper.com in your classroom.
Storyjumper is a website that a teacher or student can use, but is a great way for the students to show what they learned from something specific. If students read a book, they can use this to tell their own version of the book they just read.
Now we are going to show you how to use the website based on the book One Big Heart by Lindsay Davis. When you pull up your browser, you just type in Storyjumper.com. This website does work best using Google Chrome. As we look at the first page, you can see that there are different tabs you can click on at the top of the page. This is the home page. It explains a little bit of what the site is about. If you go to the library page, you can scroll down and look for different books that were made and published by different people, including children. You can click on any of these books to read. And if you see this little symbol here, then that means the book can be read aloud to you. There are also different languages that you can change the books to and find books in the language that you are most comfortable with.
So now we're going to log in, and if you haven't logged in, you can sign up so you can log in. And once you're logged in, we're going to create our book. So now we're going to scroll down, and you can see that there are many options to design your book. We're going to create a small book together so you can see a little bit of how it works. So here you can see that there are many different options. You can do props, scenes, photos. Here you can add your own photos if you'd like, and do a voiceover. So our first page is the title page. So now we're going to add a scene, which is basically like a background. I think I like the one on the left. So once we have the title page or the cover that we like, we're going to go in and add our text, which is our title. And we want our title to say something like One Big Class. And now we're going to put the authors, which is by me and Morgan. Morgan and I. And you can go in and change the font size, color, the font in general. You can bold it, underline it. You can pretty much do anything you can do on Word, you can do on here. So we're just going to choose one that we like. And move it however we want. And now we're going to go in and add a prop, which I like to call stickers. And I think we're going to add this one because it looks like class. So it'll put it up in the top left-hand corner, and you just have to drag it wherever you want. And then you can make it bigger or smaller. That looks great. So we're going to leave that there. You can also change the cover or the spine pattern. There's lots of different options, and you can change the color. You can't really see much in the gray, but maybe with the purple you can see a little bit more. So this is just going to be like the spine, and it's going to be really small, so it really doesn't matter what color you choose. Next, you can have a dedication page if you'd like. You can put whatever you want in there, dedication to the original book. So we're going to put dedication to One Big Heart, which is the original book, a celebration of being more alike than different, by Lindsay Davis. And then we're going to italicize the title because it is the title of the book. So now we're going to move on to a blank page. And you can add in as many pages or as less take away pages if you want to have more or less, however you want. So
for this page, we're just going to do the first 2 pages of the book. So we're going to pick a scene for this. Let's see, I like this one right here. Okay, and then we're going to add a title or text to the page. And we're going to name it, "This is my class." And you see how we can't see it very well, so let's go ahead and change the color to white maybe. And we're going to also make our font bigger. And you can change the font if you like. I like this one. We'll make our box smaller so that it's easier for us to move it around later on. And we're going to add a picture, one of our own photos. So typically you would click add your photos and you'll hit browse. And I have mine saved to the desktop, so we'll just scroll down until we see my class pic that I have saved. And we're going to click for it to be a prop because we don't want it to be the background, we want it to just be an image. Now we can just make it the size that we want. Move it around wherever we want it. That looks good. And now for our last page that we're going to make, we're just going to do a plain color background instead of doing a fancy scene in the back. We'll just choose maybe a blue because it seems to like it'll look good with this next to it. Yep, that one works. And now we're just going to add text. So this book is that we're making now is based off of the book One Big Heart. And we would be making a book for all the similarities for the people in our class together. And we'll make this one as big as we can get it. Too big. And now we're just going to add a little prop. Maybe some hearts or something. Yep, this one will work right here. And it's giving us this warning because we made our text a little too big. So we got to go back down a size. That'll be fine. Okay, so we could continue to go on to the other pages if we wanted and continue to make a book, but this is all we're going to do today. So you go up here and you hit save and exit. And if you wanted to, you could go back into edit if I forgot to do something. And you can click a voiceover here to read the pages for you, or for you to talk about the pages. And then this is the way you publish it. If you click on home, it's going to go down and it's going to show you your book here.
So when you log into your account, your book will be right here for you to pull up again and continue working on where you left off. The Storyjumper is a simple to use and fun for all ages website. I recommend it for children ages 7 and up, and maybe even create a book as a teacher for a fun class time.
Bye guys.
Bye.